Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about some interesting strategies how to make $100 per day with trading on the WEEX platform. So make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss this amazing strategy and very easy to apply strategy how you can make easily $100 with very low risk. And without further ado, we're going to jump straight into the WEEX exchange here and check out the Bitcoin chart. We can see Bitcoin is sitting at 62,588. And to apply this strategy, you need to make sure you are on the trading view chart here on WEEX. You go over here to indicators, and then you type in RSI. This is the relative strength index. I already have it turned on here, down here. This is the RSI, the purple one, and I will show you the best strategy how to open trades. Right now, you can see the RSI, it's a little bit in a downtrend. So the price will most likely go down. That's why we are going to open a trade right now just to showcase you how you can easily make $100. Right now, I'm just going to do here. 1 second, we're going to do 25x leverage because this is going to be a very short-term trade. I'm going to close the trade after the end of the video. And we can see the price already moving. So we can see the RSI is in a downtrend. It will probably go here and touch the bottom line of the RSI down here again. I think it will probably go to the 30 here. So we are ready to open a trade, open short, confirm. How much margin are we using? This is actually a little bit too much margin. So I will use only this margin, $500 around that. So let's see, the order hasn't triggered yet, the price moved a little bit. Let's see, I'm still going to wait for my limit order. But for now, we are going to take a look how you can take advantage of this strategy. Right now, this is just a short-term trade. You can use this, actually works much better on a longer time frame. So if you go here to the daily, you can see here, usually when the RSI touches the top line here around the 70, then it's good to sell. This is a good indicator that the market is quite overbought and it's up for a cool down. That's why it's very important that you check out this indicator here. For example, me, I'm usually, it depends, if it's not crazy bull market times, I'm not buying when I see the RSI is here above the 50 actually. So when I see the RSI is above the 50, I know it's a little bit of an overbought zone, and that's why I'm waiting for a retracement. And usually we can see it always happens, like this retracement, really guys, it happens all the time. We can see here when Bitcoin was around 72, the RSI was very high. We can see it was around the 83, and every time when it's above the 70, it's usually a very overbought zone. So I'm not buying there. That's why usually if you want, you can use this for a short. Usually the RSI bounces a little bit until it confirms and then it breaks down. So you can wait for nice confirmation, wait. It doesn't mean it's gonna go down straight away. That's why you need to be careful how much leverage you use. Don't use too much leverage, don't get too crazy, and always be patient in the market. And have your exit strategy as well out. For now, I opened this trade. I will probably close it very soon. I will close it at 62,000, not even 62,300 actually, and probably this will be, the trade just activated right now, we can see, and I'll probably close it at 62,400. Let's see when it's going to be $100 in profit. Now I can see the RSI is in a little bit of a downtrend, so we might touch again the zone here. As we can see here, we touched it just 1 month ago. We had this dip here down to the 52, and the month before in August we dipped down here to the 49,000, and we can see always when the RSI is below 30 on the daily, it's a very good signal to buy, guys. I even made a TikTok and a reel about it, if you remember, like 2 months ago, when I talked about the RSI being as oversold as the FTX time. So we didn't see such an oversold RSI for a very long time. I think it was around this time. So that was a very good signal to buy. Right now, let's go over here to the 4-hourly, and this is how you can catch shorter time frame trades. Like here, you can see the RSI is already in a downtrend. It's created a lower high here, so it will probably go and retrace back to the 30 zone. And the 30 zone, as we can see, 30 RSI zone can be a $60,000 Bitcoin or even a $59,000 Bitcoin. So we can see here always when the RSI it's going down, it's a very good time to buy. So when it's below 30, You can see here, if you would have bought here at 52,000, you would have been already up quite a lot. Let me quickly show it to you. Here's the measurement tool. Here you can see it. If you would have sold the top 25% with a 10x leverage, 250% with a 20x leverage, that would have been 500%. So if you would have put $1,000 into this trade, you could have made $5,000 in profits. So quite impressive opportunities here in the market. That's why it's very important that you learn these strategies and don't get too hyped, guys. If you see the RSI is overbought, then wait, take your time, patience. There are always opportunities. You can check also some other projects. We will look into that as well. We'll probably open also an altcoin trade very soon, also in this video. So let's see. Now we can see that our RSI is probably going down. We can see it's already creating a little bit of a downtrend. So we'll probably go and have a little bit of a cool off phase and go down to this area. Probably we'll go to, I don't know, $61,000. Let's see. I'm still bullish long term, guys. Don't get me wrong. This is just a short term trading strategy, how you can make some daily gains very easily. Now let's take a look at some other coin right here. 1 second, which one can we take a look at? Let's take a look at Doge, guys. And Doge, we can see here, let me quickly check. Doge is also the RSI looks the same like on Bitcoin. We can see it has a little bit of a resistance here, so we can see that there's some selling pressure here. We can probably expect it to go down again, probably to this area, which was around the 10.36. So I'll open right now also a short on Doge. Guys, these are very short-term trades. I'm actually even gonna put a stop loss here, take profit. So take profit would be 10 cents. 1 second, guys. It would be 0.105 actually. Let's do that. It would be 89% the profit, guys. This is a quite high leverage rate, so I don't recommend you to do that. And stop loss would be here at around 11.1. So we can see I'm risking $140 with the opportunity to make $713. So quite nice opportunity there. Now let's get ready. I will open this trade right now. Let's see, the trade is already opened. We can see here's my stop loss, here's my take profit, and we can see the trade moving already. Let's see where it's going to be at the end of the day. Now let's look for some token which is really overbought. So needs to be something that has changed a lot, like Carve. Let's check out Carve, guys. And we can see Carve looks like it's a new token, just got listed recently, and the RSI doesn't have much data unfortunately, but we can see it's very overbought here, very overbought. But there is a little bit too less data, so I will not trade this one. Let's go maybe GME, which is a meme coin about tied to the GameStop movement or GameStop meme community, and we can see it's super oversold here above the 70, guys. That's why I will definitely open here a short as well. Actually, the market is very overbought. We can see it's probably going to go down, retrace to this area here. So that's where I'm also going to take some profit at 36. So quite huge gains, guys. Let me quickly show you. I'm not going to use too much margin, maybe just 6% of my trading portfolio. And we will open the trade right now. Here, short, take profit, I would do it at 0.0038, would be 500% profit, and stop loss I would put it above this zone here, so 54.20, 0.005420. That's actually a little bit of too higher price. So it's gonna be already 100%. I will do it here to 60. So it's gonna be 40% loss, risking $57 to make 750. That's quite a nice risk to reward ratio. Now open this trade. Perfect, trade is open right now. Let's check out my positions here. We can see already I'm on Doge, already $11 in the profit here, $7, $22 in just a matter of minutes, guys, without risking too much. Like, my stop loss is just $140 on Doge, so I can only lose $140, but I already made $20 right now, and I will probably close the trade very soon. So I'm already making quite good gains here. This is our other trade on Bitcoin, which also just moved into the profits right now. So it looks like the market is probably going to have a little bit of retracement today, and we are going to make some nice juicy profits. I will update you about these trades on Twitter. Let's see if this trade will activate. I'm actually very hyped about this trade. I think has huge possibility to make crazy gains. I'm quite certain it will probably go to this area, 387. This was the previous resistance, and it's probably going to be the future support. So we can see here we had some resistance, and here as well. So it will probably retrace down to the zone. I think the RSI is very overbought. This is a very easy strategy to use, guys, and you can apply it literally everywhere on each coin. Don't use too high leverage like I did. I just did over 20x leverage because I wanted to showcase you how easily it is to make some gains with this strategy. Please don't use too much leverage. Leverage is very dangerous. Make sure you always move your stop loss into the profit zone once you are already in the profit. And we can see here already $100 in the profits here, guys, in just a couple of minutes. Quite impressive strategy. We can see here we already made $100. Now I'm gonna go here to my Doge trade, and I'm gonna move my stop loss into the profit zone, guys. Like this, you cannot lose anything. Literally, here I can already change my stop loss, and I'm gonna put my stop loss here. It's gonna be for the whole position, and I'm gonna put my stop loss at 11. This is nice. If it's gonna go to this price, I'm still gonna make $10 in profit. Quite nice still, and I'm not risking anything. So I'm just gonna move my stop loss right now. We can see here confirmed already over $100 in the profits, guys. Quite impressive here in just a matter of a couple of minutes. Quite amazing. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits, and I hope this strategy will help you make crazy amounts of profits in this market. So if you have any questions, leave it down below. Follow, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.